Welcome to the channel. I'm Joseph, and I break down AI so you can actually use it, so let's get into it. For the last 12 days, you've been watching something new on this channel, and I didn't say a word about it. The comments started coming in. What changed? What are you using now? Did you switch? Today, I'm answering every one of those questions. And this one comes with receipts. 3 out of my last 4 videos were not built with HeyGen. I switched to Google Flow VEO 3.1 12 days ago. Everything still gets cut in DaVinci Resolve Studio. I use the paid version, but the avatar you've been watching, that's not HeyGen. That's Flow. Here's what that actually looks like side by side.
Hey, our last video disclosed the HeyGen pricing schemes for Avatar V. Today they released Seedance 2.0, and you will not believe the credit system.
Our last video disclosed the HeyGen pricing schemes for Avatar 5. Today, they released Seedance 2.0, and you will not believe the Google Flow on the left, HeyGen Avatar 5 on the right. Same script, same concept, same words coming out, very different result. VEO 3.1 doesn't just look better tech, it moves differently. The lip sync is tighter, the motion reads as natural, not processed. HeyGen has been the gold standard for AI avatar work. I'll give it that. But VEO 3.1 is operating at a level HeyGen hasn't reached yet. Now here's the part that's actually a workflow secret. Every clip I build in Flow is 8 seconds or less, which is great for jump cuts. Some are 5, some are 6, some go the full 8. That variation is intentional. It breaks the pattern so nothing feels robotic. Each clip is one thought, one beat, one moment. When they come together in DaVinci Resolve, it flows like real production footage. Consistent, clean, professional, every time.
So guess what I did? I asked HeyGen's own AI what the pricing structure is to use Seedance, and it told me,
So guess what I did? I asked HeyGen's own AI what the pricing structure is to use Seedance, and it told me. Watch the micro movements in that one. That's not HeyGen. That's what VEO 3.1 delivers when you prompt it correctly. Now let me be straight with you. I'm still paying for HeyGen. Locked in until December 2026. 200 credits a month, about 10 minutes of Avatar 5 time each month. This video alone used 36 credits just on the comparison clips. 36 credits to show you I'm not using HeyGen anymore. The irony is certainly not lost on me. But here's the real issue, and it's not just about me. HeyGen's model is pay for the tool, then pay again for every new feature. Better avatar quality? Credit cost. New model drops? Pay more to access it. Meanwhile, every other major AI company is giving users more for the same price. VEO 3.1 gives me unlimited generations, no credit drain. I said in my last HeyGen video, no more Avatar 3 for me. I meant it. Avatar 4 exists. Avatar 5 exists. But I'm not paying a premium to stay current.
creating the HeyGen pricing scheme using Seedance 2.0. And wow, is it pricey. Avatar 5 costs 20 premium credits per minute, plus a 20 credit fee for Avatar 5 digital twins. Seedance 2.0
HeyGen pricing scheme using Seedance 2.0. And wow, pricey. Avatar 4 and 5 cost 20 premium credits per minute, plus a 20 credit training fee for Avatar 5 digital twin. That's the clip that sealed the decision for me. Let me show you how this production process actually works. I have one prompt in Flow that I use for every single video. 2 things change each time, the camera position and the script text. That's it. Everything else stays constant. One prompt, 2 variables. Repeatable every single time. I generate each clip separately, never longer than 8 seconds. Then I bring them into DaVinci Resolve Studio, but the free version handles everything you need to get started. But here's the thing, how much longer until we can do 16 seconds or 24 seconds straight, right inside Google Flow with VEO 3.2 or 3.3? And here is every asset I used for this workflow. All the clips, all the B-roll, and all the graphics. I'll put the download link for DaVinci Resolve right in the description. From first prompt to finished video, this pipeline is faster and cleaner than anything I built in HeyGen. And I did not expect that going in. Not at all. So, here's the honest take before I close this out. HeyGen isn't a bad tool. I paid for a year and wanted it to work. It's a tool with a pricing model I can't get behind. My time and my money belong to tools that grow with me, not ones that charge me to stay current. So if HeyGen sees this, here is my suggestion. $29 a month, 400 credits Avatar 5, Avatar 4 becomes unlimited. Remove Avatar 3. They think there isn't another option, and I'm here to tell you there is. Subscribe to this channel, and I mean this, not for me. Subscribe because I test these tools so you don't have to. If I can save you time, save you money, that gives some of that creator time back to your family and the things you love. And that is the whole point. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.